So now we are going to make a mousse cake. So let's go to the ingredient first. So here I have taken a vanilla sponge and I'm going to demold my vanilla sponge with the help of palette knife. So now I'm going to remove the butter paper and I'm going to cut the cake into the three layers. So first I'm going to cut the topmost layer, okay, to get the uniform texture and the cake will be in the level form. So my first cut will be from here. So put your bread knife straight and then just zigzag for 4 times, okay. So it will be cut easily and it will get a nice uniform texture. Again I am going to cut my second layer, which is I am going to cut from the middle over here. Straight bread knife, zigzag and easily. Hold your bread knife properly, strongly and cut it. Don't put your bread knife very lightly. So now I am going to soak the cake with a normal water. I am not going to use sugar syrup, okay, because sugar syrup may get more sweeter. So now we are going to take a small amount of whipping cream and we are going to apply on the cake and we are going to spread it with the help of palette knife. Easily, slowly just spread all over sides of the cake. Cover the cake with whipping cream from all the 4 sides. Take your palette knife, keep your palette knife straight on whipping cream and then slowly turn your turntable. So you will get a uniform texture. Now we are going to take a crush. We are going to use 1 tablespoon of crush. So here I have taken a chocolate ganache. So chocolate ganache ratio is 200 grams of chocolate, 100 grams of fresh cream. So now I am going to spread chocolate ganache with the help of palette knife. Now I am going to take my second layer and I am going to place it over the ganache. And now I am going to soak this sponge with the normal water. I am not going to use sugar syrup because our cake will be too sweet and it will be heavy. So we are going to preserve our cake for 3 days. So I am using normal water. So I am going to take a small amount of cream. I am going to place the cream with the help of palette knife all over the sides. Slowly. Don't work hard with the cream. Go always in a smooth form. Now I am going to apply 1 tablespoon of ganache. Don't apply too much of ganache, otherwise the sponge will be like dismantle, okay. So now here I am going to take my palette knife and spread the ganache all over the sides. Now I am going to take my third base and I am just going to overlap on the previous sponge. And now the step is for crumble coating. Now what I am going to do, I am going to take my palette knife and just going to keep my palette knife onto the cake and just going to turn around the cake. So all the cream which is come out, that will be all gone inside and the cake covers properly. Now we are going to cover whole cake. So this is mousse cake, so I am adding ganache into the whipping cream, okay, and I am going to mix it well to make a mousse. Mix it well, don't add too much of ganache. If you add too much of ganache, your whipping consistency may lose. So now here I have applied lot of cream and now I am going to spread it all over the cake. If you want to remove cream, you can remove the cream with the help of palette knife or you can remove with the help of scraper. So now here I have taken my palette knife is very slant position and I have turned around the table and it has got flattened. Now I have taken whipping cream, topmost whipping cream. I'm covering it from downward sides, and slowly I'm taking my whipping cream towards downside so it can cover all the cake from all the four sides. So slowly you have to cover it till the end of your turntable. Okay, so now just clear your palette knife always. Now I'm going to use comb, and I'm just going to keep my comb in a slant way and just going to turn around the turntable. This process must be fast, you cannot do slowly. Once only you have to do, and you get a nice proper finishing to your icing. If you want, you can do with the help of comb, otherwise you can. Now we are making chocolate cake, so I just want to keep the cake plain from all the sides, and I'm now clearing out I'm doing the proper edges. After clearing all the edges, now I'm going to pour chocolate ganache which I have made earlier. Okay, so we are going to pour slowly, and we have to heat this for 30 seconds. Okay, so once it's melt, then the sauce get easily spread all over your cake. So spread the cake, spread the ganache with the help of palette knife, and cover your cake with the ganache. Now this way also you can just decorate your cake. This is known as a natural dripping, but if you want to cover your full cake with ganache, so you can apply more ganache to your cake. Okay, so like this way we have done with our cake. Now we are just going to do the finishing from the top. And now I am going to place my cake into the board. So slantly just remove the palette knife, and your cake is ready on the board. So if you want to cover your full cake with ganache, then you can just take your palette knife on the side, and you can just clear it out all the excess part which is fall from the cake to the cake board. So now we will go with the decoration part. So here I have using star nozzle, and I am just going to do the design of McFlurry. Okay, so we are going to cover all the sides of the cake edges with the design of star nozzle. So I have covered almost all the sides, and now we are going to use sprinklers, designer sprinklers. Okay, so here we have taken designer sprinklers. Okay, so we are going to apply from all the sprinklers all over the side of the cake, on the cake walls. Apply all the sides and remove all the excess sprinklers, and clear your cake board. These sprinklers are known as Christmas sprinklers. So this you can get into the bakery shop as well as. Okay, now I'm just covering my top portion with the sprinklers, and our cake is ready. Thank you so much for watching Mousse Cake. So our cake has been ready. As you can see, we have covered all the sides properly and with a good finishing. Thank you so much for watching our mousse cake with a simple decoration and a unique technique and with a nice flavor. Okay, thank you so much, and do watch our mousse cake recipe. Thank you.